Pon Chan from SMJK Semua, Kuala Kangsar. So today video we still continue for logarithm. Now under Form 4 syllabus chapter 4 indices, surd and logarithm. Okay, so the learning standard for this video is the first one, proving the relationship of log b base a equals to log b base c over log a base c and determining the logarithm of a number. Second, solve problems involving the law of logarithms. Third, solve problems involving indices, surd and logarithm. Okay, if A, B, C are positive numbers and A is not equal to 1, C is not equal to 1, then we have log B base A equals to log B base C over log A base C. Okay, in this case, we change the base from A to C. Okay, so how to prove it? So we let log B base A equals to X. From log form, we convert to index form. So we have A to the power of X equals to B. And then we take log for both sides with the base C. So log A to the power of X base C equals to log B base C. And then by power law of logarithm, the X we can shift in front. So X log A base C equals to log B base C. Shift the log A base C to the right hand side, we have X equals to log B base C over log A base C. X equals to log B base A. So finally, we can get the relationship between log B base A equals to log B base C over log A base C. Okay, in the case if B equals to C, then we have log B base A equals to log B base B over log A base B, where log B base B equals to 1. So we have log B base A equals to 1 over log A base B. So we just interchange the number and the base. Okay. So by using the law of base change, any logarithmic base can be written and evaluated with base 10 or base e. So logarithm with the base 10 we call common logarithm. And the logarithm with base e are known as natural logarithm. And we written as log base e or ln, ln ln. Now base e is often used in mathematics, science and technology. Okay, let us see the example. Now, convert each of the following to the natural logarithm and evaluate them. Log 254 base 6. Okay, convert to the natural logarithm log base e. Okay, so log 254 base e over log 6 base e. Okay, so we write as ln 256 over ln 6. Okay, and then press the calculator, you can get the answer 3.090. Okay, and then we see log 4 base 30. Okay, change to base e, log 4 base e over log 30 base e. Okay, write as ln 4 over ln 30. By pressing the calculator, we can get the answer 0.408. Okay, example 10. Given log x base 5 equals to p, express each of the following in terms of p. So log x 25. So we have to change the base 25 to 5. So log x 5 over log 25 base 5. So log x base 5 equals to p. Log 25 base 5 equals to 2. Why? Because 25 is equals to 5 to the power of 2. Okay? And then b, log 25x to the power of cube base x. So log 25x power 3 base 5 over log x base 5. 25 we write as 5 power 2. Okay, so multiply plus, okay, product law of logarithm, huh? Okay, and then 2 we shift in front, 3 we shift in front. So when base and the numbers are equal, then equals to 1. So 2 times 1 equals to 2. Log x base 5 equals to p. So we have 3p, okay, over p. So the answer is 2 plus 3p over p. Okay, and then we see the problems involving the law of logarithm. So solve the equation 3 to the power of x minus 4 equals to 50 to the power of x minus 3. So both have different base. So we cannot compare the integers. Okay, we have to take log for both sides. So x minus 4 log 3 equals to x minus 3 log 50. Okay, we use base 10 as logarithm. Huh? So base 10 we no need to write. Okay, other than base 10 we must write the base. Huh? Okay, so we multiply x log 3 minus 4 log 3, x log 50 minus 3 log 50. And then we group the log x log together, and then the number we group together. So x log 50 minus 4 log 3 plus. Okay, and then we take out the factor x. We have log 3 minus log 50. And then here, right hand side, we just copy. Okay, and then shift the log 3 minus log 50, okay, to the right hand side. By pressing the calculator, we can get the answer 2.610. Okay, remember when you press the calculator, if one stress, then you have to use the bracket. Okay, so bracket, bracket. Okay, denominator also the same. If not, you won't get the answer. Okay, example 12, solve the following natural logarithmic equation. So ln 4x minus 2 equals to 5. Okay, so ln is log base e. So cancel the log, the e shift to the right hand side, e to the power of 5 equals to 4x minus 2. Press the calculator, e to the power of 5 equals to 148.4132 equals to 4x minus 2. So minus 2 shift to the left hand side equals to 150.4132. And then divide by 4, we can get the answer. Okay, 37.603. And then B, 10e to the power of 2x equals to 35. So 10 we shift to the right hand side equals to 3.5. Okay, so and then ln both sides. Okay, so 2x ln e base e ln 3.5. Ln e equals to 1. Huh? So 2x equals to ln 3.5. X equals to ln 3.5 over 2 equals to 0.626. So let us see the application of indices, surds, and logarithm. Example 13. Okay, so an entomologist found that a grasshopper infestation towards plants spread across an area of A bracket n equals to 1000 times 2 to the power of 0.2 n acres, where n is the number of weeks after the initial observation. Now determine the area of infestation at the beginning. Determine the area of infestation after 5 weeks, after 10 weeks. Now how much time is needed for the infestation to spread across an area of 8,000 acres. Okay, so let's see the answer. When initial n equals to 0, so we times 0 here. Okay, so answer is 1000 times 1 equals to 1000. And when n equals to 5, so we times 5, 0.2 times 5 equals to 1. So 2 to the power of 1 is 2. So 1000 times 2, 2000. Okay. So when n equals to 10, so 0.2 times 10 equals to 2. So 2 to the power of 2 is 4. 1000 times 4 equals to 4000. So when the a equals to 8000, 8000 equals to 1000 times 2 to the power of 0.2n. So 1000 we shift and divide becomes 8, and 8 equals to 2 to the power of 3. So by comparing the integers, 0.2n equals to 3. So n equals to 15. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you.